Hi, I'm Martin Sharp. I'm a digital leader and an author of the book Digital Transformation. I recently attended the Facebook ad course with James Nicholson. I was in a position where my publisher wasn't really looking at doing much advertising of my book, and therefore was leaving a lot of the work down to myself. Now, as you can imagine, my background is not in marketing or having any experience in that kind of area. It really was a complete minefield for me to start from scratch. And then I was introduced to James Nicholson, who's a Facebook marketing expert and was running a course on Facebook ads. Now, James's course not only took us through all the fundamentals and all the nuances of running a Facebook ad, including how to select your audience and how to deal with the demographic side of it, but also took us through all the steps needed to make the ad campaign successful, such as how to write copy, how to create a funnel, how to make sure the wording is correct on the page, just to make it appealing to the people who are going to work with it. And in the end, I achieved success by having just under 100 people sign up to my book in the space of 2 weeks. I'm really pleased with that result. If you get a chance to work with James Nicholson on his Facebook ad program, I would highly recommend it. James is very approachable, his Q&A sessions are absolutely fantastic, and he really does know everything you could possibly want to know about Facebook ads.